Hello, now I have times for doing something with this program. That is first. Now, and I have one setting here was names. Now, setting name is start a movement code. That starts now he was code. For read him and add him inside one document. Document name is starter. Him is code because in I have this code I can give an value. Name for drive and program inside the letters then I give one setting is not that settings, but I want to give him inside Pascal for create these structures now. That is asked for me and for all what Pascal cost, what this that is for because after him is something. That is 2. Now for create one number is 3, inside 1 billion number for just so something, because that is created inside settings for I1 document inside code number 3. The code number 3 now code plus code equals solve code, and I have it this structure inside settings now, cause and I want to give him inside settings for create one value name is starter, not after starter, because now is cause the structures for give value inside settings because Pascal is not installer. Inside billion names now, and I want add this installer inside settings. Now I want give one number. Number is variable, and I want solve this value because value name is variable because him is little delta name, and I want add him with the settings for give little delta setting. Now delta is Pascal with this value just, and I want send him for type with code number. One name is starter, and I want create one folder name is document because after him is delta name. Scatter that is 3. Now here I'm give one little verb name is director, and I want setting for add them inside structure. I want create value name is setting. Now setting is just inside variable, but that not because variable is number 7. Ask your name is creator.